Hello and welcome again at Stocks Advisor. Today we'll talk about UAL, and this one actually shows some promising levels. First of all, yes, it was descending, of course. We were having these two clear channels formed. So one was here, and previously it was another one a little bit higher. Then it was pierced, and we actually started another descending, pierced lower to moving average 200 and declining for now. And moving average 20 is actually working as a resist line together as a higher, let's say, part of the channel. But this channel is very tricky because it bounces lower than the middle of the channel. It's a very specific situation of a strong decline, but it also creates a very strong upside. And we are now at a very interesting level, or approaching it actually, and you can already sense it from the price action. So it's all these levels. It's a little bit broad, but it's a level of retest. And also we have here, though not expecting to go that low, but we have also these levels for further buying out if something would be happening. But now what is happening, let's magnify it a little bit. What is happening on these levels is such that you can see, looks like the wave of MACD histogram is about to finish and pierce high. It won't be that big one, probably a little bit small, and then we will have really bigger one. Stochastic RSI, after forming a horn and some bouncing around, it looks like it's ready to form a block. So block is something like this. Blocks usually mean that you have a very strong growth and upside, and looks like it's going to make it. It might be still one false wave and then the block will be formed. But why do we think so? Because we see now a very clear green line. It might be a little bit false, but it's already forming because we are reaching this first level. Because remember, there are two levels, and what might be happening, we still need to wait for flattening of moving average 20. This would be the final decision. But once we touch it and rebounds, it should start flattening. So most probably what we will observe here from price standpoint of view is this behavior. We'll go higher, touch it, decline, maybe lower, retest these levels, and then should be either strong upside at these levels, or if we bounce again, it could be skewed, or it could be bounce on the higher levels and then should be final rebound. So we are in the area of this. It's a very strong support levels forming, very strong formation from the technical point of view. Once we touch completely, once we go higher than the middle of the channel, we touch the top of it and then descend, then it would be a good time to buy. So this is a good time to buy. Once you see this pattern, this is a good time to buy. And this, if you see this pattern, this would be a very good time to average down. And I usually advise averaging down non-linearly, meaning that you keep for averaging down more money than you actually used for the first buy, because this way your mid-level will go below, closer actually to the second level. That's it. Descending for now, still expecting rebounds and descent, but forming and about to form a very, very interesting, very strong upside potential here. Most probably by end of next week trading session. That's it for now. If you like this way of analysis and technical, let's say, review of stocks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Press the bell button. This way you will not miss our new videos and new interesting discussions for US-based stocks.